Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. As you know, on Fridays, I am doing a festive holiday cocktail. So happy Friday and Merry Christmas to you all. I have some special guests with me here today. You know, I can't make a cocktail video without my mother, and I have Aunt Sue here today. She just wanted to join in on all this fun. So we're gonna make a Drunken Rudolph.
Can't wait to taste it.
Drunken Rudolph cocktail drink with hot chocolate. It's gonna have Fireball in it and Bailey's. So Mom and Aunt Sue will be back once I have the drink made because they just can't wait to taste this one. So let me get it all made up. I have my hot water. So I will start, I'm gonna make the hot chocolate first. And there's really nothing better in wintertime than a hot cocktail. So, hot chocolate it is. I hope that you guys have been enjoying these weekly cocktail recipes because they have been really fun to make and they have been delicious. So check them all out if you have not already. And I have also done a video every day this month, which is crazy. It's been wild, but so many fun festive videos. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out all those other videos and make sure you click subscribe also. So. Okay, so we've got the hot chocolate. I'm gonna add in a shot of Fireball to each one. Fireball is pretty festive. It's got that cinnamony flavor. It's got a kick to it. I can smell it, oh my goodness. So, 1 shot of Fireball. And 1 shot of Bailey's. Everything with Bailey's I am a huge fan of. Oh, Mom just whispered, me too. I don't know if you can hear her back there.
It was Aunt Sue.
Okay, so here is the drink, but we're gonna decorate it. I'm gonna decorate a little bit. My helpers are off to the side. But I'm gonna decorate this a little bit. I'm gonna have some chocolate chip eyes and a little red nose for Rudolph, and gonna put some whipped cream. It's gonna be super good and really cute. Oh, here she comes. Okay, you do that. Okay, that's it. Shh. She's crazy.
I like whipped cream.
Crazy lady. Okay, so have a red nose right here. And then 2 little eyes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Show the camera closer. Oh, these turned out so cute, you guys. So here's our little Rudolph, and called a Drunken Rudolph. So cheers, Merry Christmas.
Cheers. Delicious.
That is so good.
Oh, this is for a cold winter day for sure. Maybe instead of coffee in the morning, one of these. Happy holidays!